Hello, my name is Yuxuan Xie, and I am a System Applications Engineer with the Robotics Group at Analog Devices. And I will be walking you through our Agile Manufacturing with Industrial Robotics demonstration. To optimize robotic installation and achieve more sustainable manufacturing, customers in flexible industrial settings face several challenges, such as ensuring precision motion control, accurate actuator positioning feedback, and reliable perception systems for dynamic control and the execution of intricate tasks. A high level of motion control competency is required to accommodate different motor types, changing payloads, and the need for precise ramp and acceleration profiles to ensure smooth actuation. Exact motor position feedback solutions need to either be rehomed on power interruption, or existing battery-powered solutions come with bulky and undesirable battery backup. To design dynamic robot perception systems, it's necessary to provide in-depth information to allow them to optimize path planning and improve object manipulation. For motion control, we have an example of a pan drive solution that integrates ADI Trinamics motor control technology, which allows you to easily tune and control a motor for torque, precision, and speed. Tuning the controller is also extremely easy with ADI Trinamics TMCL IDE. To close the precision loop, we have integrated the novel ADMT 4000, which is a true powerless absolute multi-turn encoder with 46 turns or 16,540 degrees of measurement. It not only simplifies the mechatronic design and control, but in the event of a power loss, it does not require rehoming or external limit switches to go back to operation. Due to the nature of the encoder, true precision is recorded even without power. As it is possible to see in this demo, the robotic arm pushes the Delta robot, introducing an error, and as soon as the power is restored, the operation returns to normal. On the perception side, the ADTF3175 allows customers to extract not only IR information, but also depth information, which is processed on the edge processor, eliminating the need for powerful external processing units. This is a game changer on vision and perception systems for robotics in general. ADI has developed a suite of solutions that simplify our customers' design challenges, making it easier to develop new solutions and focus on what matters. This is all achieved thanks to intelligent edge sensors, which process the data instantly, reducing the need for powerful external processing units and enabling more sustainable manufacturing. To learn more about how Analog Devices can help you with robotics solutions, please visit analog.com/robotics.